Good morning, Unico Tour and Travel. Mimi Hamidah here speaking. May I help you?
Morning, I want to make plane reservation. Could you tell me about the field available?
We can help you book the trip right now. Where are you flying to?
Oh, I need to fly to Swiss.
When is your travel date?
The reservation is for April 24.
Do you want to go to economy, business, or first class?
Business class.
How many tickets that going to be ordered?
I need two tickets for my friend and me.
Okay, let me see. For April 24th, all morning flights are fully booked. We've got one left available for you. It is HVM flight like by Lion Air. Does that suit you, miss?
If three or no are not other choice, I'll book it.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, Nada. Nada, and my friends is Tia. T A I A. How much does it cost?
It is 2,500,000 rupiah. How'd you like to pay, miss?
I'll just send the money to your office account.
Okay, the tickets will be ready in less than 1 hour after you have transferred to our bank account.
Okay, I will contact you soon after I do that.
Sure, I will be waiting for it. Thank you, miss.
You are welcome.